jumping back again. Memory lane flown my way. Here I go back to old hat again. My Uncle Bough, new black bike for himself, brand new push bike. You see, only two types, boys and girls. Lower frames just for girls, you know. They wear skirts, sexy skirts. Stop your dirts in here for. One night my uncle forgot to lock his bike. His bike, what a spike to be. In the morning, without warning, the bike wasn't there anymore. Uncle had to walk to work. When he come back, we all had a crack. He knew how to get back his swag again. For you see, bike was taken 5 miles from him, but thief did not know it was my uncle friend. He recognized despite good paintwork, it belonged to my uncle. The next day they went away to see my uncle, you see. He was very, very strong and run that town. Oh, bike was back, it was never locked up again. After that went rusty, on gone, scrap.